So today I am out here with Conrad and we are currently cleaning 18 buildings, cleaning the gutters off 18 buildings. So basically what we do is the company called us to come out here to quote them to clean their gutters and sent them over a quote and they signed it. So what we're doing now is we are completing the process of getting it cleaned now. So what we're doing now is we are setting a ladder up, tying it off, making sure every single gutter is cleaned properly and thoroughly all the way through the entire building. And we just repeat the process for every single building. Put ladder up, take ladder down. This is something we do frequently for customers. I'd say it's probably one of the easiest things to do is gutter cleaning.
And you're happy it's 50-degree weather?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm wearing shorts today.